this is Priyanka and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you guys how I achieved this look. This is pink dewy nude makeup look. So I hope you will enjoy this video, and if you did, please do like, share and subscribe, and please do share my videos with your friends who are interested in fashion, beauty and lifestyle videos. I am using Lakme Peach Moisturizer, which I like very much. It's non-sticky and feels very nice. Then I'm applying a primer. Primer is very important for your smooth base, and it locks your pores and makes your skin ready for a makeup. Then I'm using concealer from Swiss Beauty, and this is very nice concealer and it is also affordable, so I recommend this product. This is worth the price. This is the very nice product from Glamm Pose Foundation Stick. If you do not want to invest in very expensive foundation, you can take this. This is affordable and easy to use, easy to apply. You just need to blend it properly for a perfect base. Blend it using a foundation brush or a beauty blender for a nice and clear base. Always don't forget your neck while applying a foundation and blending it well. Also blend your concealer with your fingers. You can always use a makeup fixer after applying your base makeup like concealer and foundation. If you sweat very easily, please set your concealer with a powder and your nose areas. Do always brush your eyebrows to look presentable. I will apply pink eyeshadow for a base. I'm applying all over my eyelids. Dewy makeup is a fail without a gloss, so I'm adding a shimmer shade in the middle of the eyelid. This is the Kajol Pencil from Lakme, and then applying a line on the upper waterline and the lower waterline. If you don't have a kajal, you can use eyeliner. Then apply a blush for a dewy makeup look. I'm applying pink blush to look very subtle yet very dewy and nice look on the cheeks. Studio West highlighter is important for dewy glow on the cheeks and the nose. So apply it well and blend it. For a lip, I am adding a gloss to it. I'm applying Lakme Absolute Lip Gloss. You can also apply a nude lipstick. This is a scent of love from Bella Vita Luxury Senorita Woman on the perfume.